ka jingkular ka TMC na ka benta ka Meghalaya ka jingpintik na ya ka laway bapranay an ai jingarap khat ara jarting ka shisnam shaman na ki long yeng jong ki khinna ki bapuliya ki school sorkar na markata ka TMC kan ai shilak tali ki laptop shabaro ki higher secondary bar ki khinna puli college ban krishan ya ka puli puthi ka baminta
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Haka khat santri ko benai rempang arajar arpulai ke Bharatiya Janata Party kala pelai pai ba ya ke manifesto ne ke mat election jongka ne ke bentak election ke banwan ke banlong ke arpu nyotri ko benai rempang arajar arpulai. Ini ke manifesto jong ke BJP kepala ai kerteng empower Meghalaya la pelai pai ba do national president jong ke BJP Jagat Prakash Nada. UJP Nada ula kular bantung de special task force ban kle di nongsat an ba shong thai ke Supreme Court ban tokit ya baro ki kam bamsap kynthup ya ke jingkai ban shalanto yo doyong ha kene ke jelang. BJP kala buru ya kathong ban petkuk bor ya ki kynthei da ka balai pulai persen ka bhah ya ki kynthei ha ki kam sorkar nalor ban thau phan nong laj battalion ka badai ka banin kong ka police battalion ne ka benta ki kynthei bat an sam airu ki scooties shabaro ki kynthei ki ba wan shakman ha ki jingpule jom ki ha ki college.
Meghalaya is a state which is rich in culture, traditions, and a beautiful state, and has got a lot of potential which has been not rightly utilized till date. So there's a lot to be done, and there is a lot of scope to be done, which we would like to see to it that in coming times we take the Meghalaya forward under the leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party. I find that there is a competition now which has started taking place among the northeastern states for development. And Meghalaya also is trying to see to it to cope up with it. But here the corruption has been an issue which has been a hindrance as far as the development is concerned. So, as I said yesterday, that we would like to see that Meghalaya is corruption-free state, and that is what we would like to work for. And at the same time, we need a strong Meghalaya, and strong Meghalaya is possible with strong BJP. So this is what we would like to say. And here again I would like to emphasize that Meghalaya, capital M, Meghalaya empowerment, capital M, Modi, capital M. This is needed for Meghalaya, that you have to understand. If we want to go forward, we visualize Meghalaya as a mega Meghalaya. We have to think big. And for thinking big, we have to see to it that speed, scale, and skill, all three has to be balanced and matched. And with this intention, we are trying to see Meghalaya. When I talk about the highlights of the manifesto, I would like to share with you few issues. For the empowerment of the women, we will provide free education to female to girl child from kindergarten, KG to PG, post-graduation. We will also launch a scheme called as Jugi Silchi, a support scheme. And in this support scheme, a financial assistance of 24,000 annually to all dependent widows and single mothers will be given. So those who are deprived, those who are widows, those who are single mothers, for them we have tried to see to it that their empowerment should be there and they should be brought into the mainstream, and that is why we have decided. Another aspect which we have decided is that we will be giving annually 2 LPG gas cylinders to the people, to the beneficiaries who are benefited out of the Ujjwala Yojana. That is also we have decided. As far as the youth is concerned, we have decided that we will go in a big way for the youth skill development. And for that, skill training structure will be created where 3.5 lakh means 3,50,000 self-employment opportunities by setting up of 2 new SEZs and industrial area units and 1 additional IT park and banking and hospitality industries over the next 5 years. Special economic zone will be developed, and in this special economic zone for the youth empowerment, we will have industrial units, we will have additional IT park, and we will have banking and hospitality industries for the within next 5 years.
Habakaran shishu hagni kasmi unada ula ong baka BJP kala rai bat pentre kamru ya ka 7th Pay Commission na Meghalaya bat katulop jong ki Shakri sorkar at penyo hakapor kapabiang.
That we will implement the 7th Pay Commission in Meghalaya, and the salaries of the employees will be dispersed in time so that the machinery is well greased and it is in the best possible manner that they are able to work. The same way we plan in Meghalaya that the agriculturists, the horticulturists are the prime concern for Bharatiya Janata Party and for the development of Meghalaya, because a lot of scope is there in the field of horticulture, in the field of agriculture, in the field of natural farming, in the field of farming without pesticides and without the other pesticides. So, when we talk about Kisan Samman Nidhi, we have decided that we will enhance by 2,000 rupees annually in the 6,000 rupees which we are already getting. The women needs to be empowered. The child needs to be empowered. And for that, we have decided that we will start and introduce a program which will be known as Kafan Noglite scheme. And this is named after the first freedom fighter from the Khasi Hills. And under this scheme, when the girl child will be born, a bond of rupees 50,000 will be provided to the girl child for the empowerment. We will empower women by Bartha Gyad Yekes Dakhar scheme to distribute free scooty to all meritorious college-going female students, financially weak households. We will provide 33% reservation for women in government jobs in Meghalaya and Syllad. To empower the youth, we will establish Meghalaya Combined Recruitment Commission to expedite the filling of the vacancies across various departments. We will establish a Sanja Manda Sanma canteens, providing locally made nutritious meals for only rupees 5 per plate. So common man can have good nutritious food, which we are going to do. We will double the pension of the senior citizens up to rupees 1,000 per month to ensure that there are no delays in the disbursement. That also will be ensured. I have talked about the highlights, but here I would like to share with you in the end that we will establish a special task force under a retired Supreme Court judge to investigate all cases of corruption in Meghalaya.
Ka jingkular ka TMC na ka benta ka Meghalaya, ka jingpintik na ya ka laway ba pranay. An ay jingarap khat ara jarting ka shisnam, shaman na kilong yeng jong ki kina ki papulihan ki school sorkar. Na markata ka TMC kan ay shilak tali ki laptop, shabaro ki higher secondary, bar ki kina puli college, ban kirshan ya ka puli puti ka baminta.
Haka ne ka apnyo trek urempang, Shon ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya DMC.